Kelly, we're talking about something that could impact drivers across the state. These barrels and cones would be here, but no work would be getting done. Executive Director with the Association of Oklahoma General Contractors, Bobby Stem, says this is something that he has never seen before.
Oklahoma, be ready for this. You're going to see many orange barrels and many orange cones and not a soul around them, possibly for months, maybe even a year.
ODOT spokesperson Cody Boyd confirms major road projects could be paused in progress due to proposals reducing the money going to ODOT.
We're going backwards, possibly, and not being able to deliver the projects that we had promised that would just get us to be where we needed to be several decades ago.
In 2016, $367 million in funding was cut from ODOT, with the understanding that a massive cut like that could only be sustained one time. On Monday, the agency will present a report about the possible outcomes and impacts of cuts to ODOT's construction program. Kelsey Powell, KOCO 5 News.